What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to permanently delete DAZN account. So let's get back to business. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So quite an easy process. So first step is visiting the DAZN website. So to start the account deletion process, you need to visit the official DAZN website, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, of course, log into the account, and then you will need to navigate to the account settings. Over there, after logging in, locate the settings option on DAZN website. It is in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by the profile picture or username if you don't have one. So then you need to find the deactivation option. So within the account settings, you will find an option related to deactivating or deleting your account. And after that, you need to click on the option to proceed. Then, of course, confirm the decision and follow the confirmation steps. There are a couple of things on which you should keep an eye on. So of course you need to cancel the subscription before you delete the account. So the easiest way to do that is go to my account section within the menu of the DAZN app and find a link to the iTunes store where you can cancel it anytime. Your subscription will run until your next payment date and you won't be charged after that. So guys, overall that's the entirety of the process on how to delete DAZN account. So thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.